we go.
I brought one out.
Yes, brand new.
Different colors. This was actually already in there on our equipment. These set really, really nice on your tunnel. Really nice, really sturdy. And there's actually little holes if you want to stake them down. The tunnel bags do come with stakes, but we don't suggest that you use the stakes that are in the bags.
Okay.
We put little stickers on the outside. They were supposed to put those particular stakes in there, but they did. These have pea stone, it looks like, in it, in bags.
Yeah, it comes with the bags, I understand, and then you put
and you
stuff
put
in it.
your own
Sand or whatever it is, whatever you want to do.
Actually, it's nice and neat and clean.
Very cool.
Gold sound really well, but they come in nice colors: red, purple, yellow, and blue.
They didn't make them in pink for you?
They did, actually.
There you
I
go.
forgot the pink. The pink ones, they're in there. And I will bring that one back after.